Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with Chris Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, fairly active over the next few days.
Joe, we're going to see weather really start picking up here once we get to this afternoon and then move into Thursday and then over the weekend. We got two low pressures that'll come out of the Four Corners region and then move through. One looks like it's going to track through our Three Corners region there tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then the other one's going to go just a little bit further south, maybe through southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, and that one, if it takes that track, slows up, gets a little bit tighter, that's the one that could bring us the rain that we're hoping we can get here as we're nearing about 1.5 inches or 2 inches behind normal when we once were ahead when we got towards the end of January after the snows. So that's something we're going to hopefully hang our hats on out there this morning. We've got a weather map that's really pretty quiet once again across the country. We got a high pressure that's over northeast Canada, another high pressure that's over off the coast in the Atlantic off the coast of Florida. That's got everything blocked up to the east and out to the west. Nothing all the way to the Pacific except for that low pressure now forming in the Four Corners region. Again, that thing will kick out of here tomorrow afternoon. The thing to watch on this is the strength of the low pressure. It is down there in that 990, 995 range as it comes out. Looks like it'll tighten up over central, southwestern Nebraska. So it's going to be similar to some of those storms that we saw that just brought us the wind. Our threat could be a multi-hazard threat this time. One thing that is a little bit different in this track is the dew points. We got southeasterly winds already this morning, around 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are up there in the 40s again, 47, and we got dew points already in the 40s and that moisture working up in Russell, Great Bend, Hayes. So with those southeasterly winds, that dew point line tomorrow afternoon after lunch, that middle afternoon period, we got 50-degree dew points from Ray through Colby down to Gove. We got some 60s from Hoxie towards Hayes and then straight down all the way into Oklahoma. That's kind of where your dry line setup's going to be and where those initial thunderstorms will develop later in the afternoon tomorrow and then start working their way east across the state of Kansas. Looks like temperatures this afternoon will be around 70. Tonight's lows in the middle 40s. Tomorrow we should get into those middle 70s. Those winds will keep increasing, going 20 to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. And then as that low and system approach tomorrow and Friday on the backside, we're talking 45, maybe 50 mile an hour winds. So it's not quite as strong as the last two systems, but it's something that the setup is there for definitely severe weather. These storms will form. They'll probably, definitely be hail. We could have the isolated tornadoes once it gets into those 60-degree dew points over there in Gove County, Waukene, Hoxie, Hill City, those areas. So that'll be tomorrow evening and move off to the east overnight and something we need to pay attention to. On Friday, we'll have the wraparound showers. It'll be colder. We'll see 65-degree highs. Those north winds will gust 45 miles per hour. Saturday will be kind of a quieter day. Temperatures will recharge, get back up there in the upper 60s, around 70. And then we got that system that'll come through Saturday night and Sunday with that chance for rain. And then it looks like Monday, Tuesday, we warm back up after a cooler Sunday in the 50s. And the morning temperatures in the 30s. We'll warm back up into the 70s on Monday, 80s on Tuesday, Wednesday. And then the next line of storms could be coming through here Wednesday evening into Thursday.
Once again, that's Chris Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel, joining us this morning on 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.